Hello, this is Alexander Cross, attorney, criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Be sure to contact our office if you've been accused of a crime, 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. And be sure to subscribe to our channel, Alex Cross, to learn more. So here we have an interesting question. Let's see. I'm on probation right now for a domestic violence case. What is the punishment if I violate my probation? Well, it all depends on how you violate your probation, but more importantly, if your domestic violence case was filed as a misdemeanor or if it was filed as a felony. Huge difference. If your domestic violence case was filed as a misdemeanor, the maximum punishment that you could get for violating probation would be 1 year in the county jail. If it was filed as a felony under Penal Code Section 273.5, the maximum punishment that you could potentially get is up to 4 years in state prison. So it matters what you were being accused of initially. That matters a lot. But the other thing is, what did you do to violate your probation? And the reason why I'm mentioning this is because the DA can just flat out open a new case, and you could be facing that new charge as well, in addition to the probation violation. For instance, you're still gonna have to deal with the old case as well as the new case. But one of the things that a lot of people don't discuss that has to do with probation violations is that quite often, when somebody violates probation, the courts, not always, but very often, will arrest you and hold you without bail. They will arrest you and hold you, they will remand you without bail. This happens very often, not always, but very often, which means you're going to have to be in custody until your case resolves. And depending on the circumstance, that could take months. And that's terrible because, you have a wife, kids, or whatever. How are they going to pay the mortgage, the rent? How are they going to get money for food? A lot of times, it's the victims who suffer more when somebody's accused of domestic violence, or at least the collateral consequences are often more serious than the punishment that the person is going to be receiving. So please, please, please keep that in mind. Don't violate the terms of your probation. That's often way more serious than the original crime you committed. Try to stay clean, but if you have been accused of having committed a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677, and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense.